planting this variegated peace lily. As you can see, it's very nice. It's green and white. So there are a lot of bunches in one pot. So we're gonna separate them. First, gonna have to press the pot so you will not break roots. And there you go. The roots are having excess, so just slowly remove the potting mix, the soil. Carefully, so you will not hurt the roots. You have to feel as well both the connection of your plants and you. These are the fertilizer they put under the plants. That's why it's very healthy. Now with this knife, I'm gonna slowly remove them. Gonna trace the mother roots and usually use my hands. This. I usually remove the gloves when doing this because I really feel, rather than having this, I might I do not have a feeling, I cannot feel them for other plants. Let's see. Two and more are coming. Beautiful. Yeah. Let's go on the other side. Wow. Pretty huge. I tried not to hurt them, especially the young ones. There we go. See, you can bond them together. You can just remove them. Still have roots. Just one. They're very nice. Then I'll do the small one. See. Do not do like that because the tendency you might cut here and not there's no roots that's included. You might waste the plants. The plants need care, you know. See. So that's it. So I can wear back my gloves and replant them now. All I have to do, you can cut the roots so they will have fresh roots to grow. Yeah, just the excess one. Or if you don't want to cut them, it's fine. See, it's good. Just be sure your potting mix is really mixed well or nice. Full of organic thing. Okay, mixed. So now this lily can breathe nicely and feel light. Yeah. Okay, push. Let's get that one. Do not waste the soil because you buy this. It's not free. Hot excess roots. So you feel a little bit breathe and oxygen. Fertilizer you underneath its root because it really helps the roots to grow more and fast. Yeah. One thing I learned with some buyers, they really doesn't know how to care plants. Well, they know, but they're just gonna rip you off until you give up to the lower price. So just add soil more to the top and press down a little. And now the last one. I'm gonna put some, maybe 2. Yeah. Maybe the bigger one. We're gonna put soil. Good mix. You put other fertilizer, you can. After you potted them, we're gonna water them a lot because it's new, the soil is new to them and the roots are, new. So they need a lot of water after you repot them, as this let them breathe, gives more energy. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.